Do you know how many visitors actually click your Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and other icons and visit your social media from your website? Those who visit our social media after visiting our website, they are more interested in our service or product. By nurturing this audience, we can convert them into our customers. Inshallah, in this video, we will learn a valuable topic: how to track outbound social media icon click using GTM and GA4, so we can measure engagement and understand our visitor better. Navigate to Google Tag Manager, move on variables. Inside built-in variables, configure scroll a bit and enable click URL variable. Now save just link trigger to get link click event in Google Tag Manager preview mode. Let's move on triggers. New trigger configuration and save just link. Now let's go to preview. Enter here website URL, then connect. Now click on YouTube icon. We redirect to our YouTube channel. Let's move on Google Tag Manager preview mode, then continue. Inside the summary, click on link click. Move on variables. Here we see click URL. Let's copy youtube.com. We are skipping the channel username because if we customize our YouTube channel username in future, tagging won't work. So we will use the general youtube.com to ensure our tagging works even if the username is customized. Back to Google Tag Manager, move on triggers, new trigger configuration. Since our YouTube icon has a link in backend, so we select just links. Some links variable should be click URL, contents and paste that we copied. Name the trigger, then save. Let's create a tag. New tag configuration, Google Analytics, Google Analytics GA4 event. Paste here GA4 measurement ID. To get this measurement ID, navigate to GA4 account, move on admin, then data stream. Click on container and copy measurement ID, then paste. But I have already created a GA4 measurement ID variable previously, so I click on plus icon and select that variable. Then event name. The event name should be lowercase letter and use underscore between each word. Then triggering. Select YouTube icon click track trigger that we created previously. Name the tag. Then save. Now we set up tag trigger for the Facebook icon click track. Let's back to Google Tag Manager preview mode and clear all previous summary. Back to our website and click on Facebook icon. Move on Google Tag Manager preview mode. Click on link click. Here we see our click URL facebook.com. Let's copy this. Back to Google Tag Manager, then triggers, new trigger configuration, just links, some links, variable should be click URL content and paste that we copied. Name the trigger, then save. Now we create a tag. Move on tag, new tag configuration, Google Analytics, Google Analytics GA4 event. Copy paste GA4 measurement ID or select variable if was created previously. Then event name, triggering, select Facebook icon, click tag trigger, then name the tag, then save. Same way for Instagram icon, click. Let's do this. Now let's check our setup work properly or not. Go to preview, move on our website, click on YouTube, Facebook and Instagram icon. Move on Google Tag Manager preview mode, then continue. Here we see our all tag fired. Let's check if GA4 is receiving data properly or not. Select event. Yes, it's done. Also, we can check from GA4 debug view. Navigate to GA4 account, admin. Inside the data display, go to debug view. Also here, our setup is working properly and we are happy with our work. Let's back to Google Tag Manager and submit our work. Name the version, then publish. Let's quickly summarize what we did. Enable click URL variable, save just link trigger to get link click event in Google Tag Manager preview mode. Go to preview, create tag triggers to fire an event when the YouTube, Facebook, Instagram icon is clicked. Preview and test with GA4 debug view. We have successfully set up tracking for outbound social media icon clicks using GTM and GA4. Alhamdulillah.